What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keys back with another live trading stock market and futures. Today's December 8th, 2025, Monday. Okay. First thing first, let's get into our prayer and then we're gonna get started. Bow your head. Dear Lord, thank you for another day of waking up this morning, another day being blessed to be on this earth that you provided us with, being blessed to be able to have these bodies and a mind, our souls. Um, and just activity of our limbs, Lord. Thank you for everything you continue to do. Thank you for being the head of our lives. Thank you for being our Father. We ask you to bless us throughout this week, um, on the charts and off the charts. I ask you let us continue to get closer to you, continue to use you as our strength, continue to include you in any and everything that we do. As we enter in this week of trading, I ask you let us have a clear, precise mind, that we be direct with our determinations. We execute when needed. We get out when needed. Don't let greed take over. Don't let anxiety take over. Don't let anxiousness take over. I ask you, let us be comfortable. Let us have courage. And let us be confident. All right. And no matter what we do today, win, lose, or draw, I ask you, let us be grateful for the outcome and continue to learn and improve. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right. Here we go. Let's get started. 8:29. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna take a trade out the open, so I'm not too really worried about it turning 8:30 right now. Um, Pretty much if you was in the call last night, or not call, the stream last night. Let me pull up this here. If you was in the stream last night, we pretty much were saying, hey, we still bullish on ES, still bullish on NQ. Um, Biggest thing is we do not have a close over these previous highs, these lower highs. We had came up and tested these lower highs right here on November 5th, but we need a close pass and build structure above to go higher. Honestly, I do think since we closed above this daily gap here, I do think we still gonna come back up and retest it. So like I said, I'm still bullish. We're gonna follow longs, but the main thing we want to see is a close above these this lower high right here. Y'all see we had lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Just lower high here, and then next, of course, that next lower high to lead us to the ultimate all-time highs. But we said that we looking for longs. Um, Currently the hourly is in the long. You know, we got higher high. We really want to see it close above this high here. Um, Look like we're gonna get that push. We honestly could have got in. We might go grab an MES one. Over on top step. So give me 1 second. Go to MES. It is lagging a little bit, but it's fine. Got one. Let's grab one MES. If it pull back, it'll take us out. It's fine. Oh, I took an NQ. I thought I took MES. My bad. I thought I searched MES. Ah, we gonna cut it. We gonna cut it. It said we only lost $12. Wow, come on now. Didn't y'all see me type MES? Maybe I clicked NQ, didn't notice. It's alright though. It's fine. It's kind of lagging a little bit. It's probably trying to load up. Alright, let me chart out the top step because we did it on TradingView. We didn't do it on top step just yet. So we're gonna mark everything out that we need. Of course, we're looking for these all-time highs to get taken. Don't know if it's gonna happen today. We do got nice news tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. But Monday and Friday were the not really crazy news days. Okay. Uh, the loan's still pretty good. I just got in the wrong contracts. Let's see. Because I didn't have a closer bud. That's why I didn't want to jump in regulars right then and there. Let's see if we got a closer bud. It is lagging pretty bad, man. Come on. This lag is crazy. If this 5 minute can close, but it's how I like the long. Let's see if the 1 minute looking like it's trying to. It's definitely squeezing though. We haven't. Let's grab one long. Let's see if we can catch a quick run. Oh my goodness, this lag crazy. We can close but them highs. If it don't, we just gotta close it manually. Cause it's gonna pull back. Push, push, push. Ah, we out. It caught us, it caught us. Mel, what up, man? What up, Mel? What up, Mel? Hey, are you? Dang, I'm gonna have to call you after stream, man. I'm gonna have to call you after stream. Cause I was gonna ask you, are you what's the name? Are you back? Did you get your top step back, or are you still giving it a little bit more? Let's go back to that daily though. My bad. I said, bet you can call. Okay, okay. Did you get your account back, or you waiting still? That's what I was trying to see. I'm gonna call you after stream though for sure. All right, that's what we was looking for. Yes, last night. I say error. Man, what's going on with this connection, man? Come on. Last week we had pretty decent connection. This week it's like every other week we be having some connection issues. I don't even know if Mel can hear me. It's like every other week some connection. But I usually do it when it's storming. We did have a little rain and stuff yesterday or last night and this morning. So maybe that's why. All right, let me drop down to the hourly, see where we got some base at. And it's lag. Come on now. It's putting the level at the wrong spot. It already look like it's gonna close green though. Biggest thing, you're gonna close past these highs. Looking at the 5 minute, we made a higher high and a lower low though. So that's a bit tricky. Matter of fact, I think I got mine. Let me see. Literally, we just sitting here chilling. Let's go look at our trading view though. Well, actually, y'all can look at that. I'm gonna look at this trading view over here real quick. Or nah, I'll pull it up because if I ain't in no trade, it's fine. I'm just trying to use this to look at my stocks. To look at the stocks. Look at the stocks. We not trading over here on this on trading view today. Either direction for CrowdStrike. That's what we looking for CrowdStrike. Meta. Meta, we only want to take it up. Look, yeah, Meta just straight pushing up. Yeah, that we literally said Meta can just squeeze literally all the way up to 284, 285, possibly up to these 700s, because that's the last high target all the way up there. So we really want to see Meta, if it break above this 81, can it build base above? Let me go back to the NQ though. Pull this over to the side. See what NQ doing. Come on now, don't be lagging like this. Go to that hourly. I like to get along every time and come back down to that equal level, cause I really think this kind of gonna be green. I might next time I come down here. I might grab along. Might grab along. I'm gonna see. Let's go look at that minute. So we did get some green in there, but if you make this lower low, it don't matter. Miss Alright, made a low, but if this kind of can flip green though, I don't think it will though. It's a couple seconds. Alright, still want to come down some more. And wait it out, wait it out, wait it out. Still coming down. If it break this hourly though, if we break this hourly with a red counter, then of course I'm thinking we're gonna dump a little bit further. Possibly down to, we do got this fair value up here still, so could come down in here to this hourly gap if we close red and come break that level. The next hourly level is down here, so we got a little ways to go. So it can drop pretty far if it breaks some gaps. But this is my dog and we went. Alright, we got a green counter. See what it's gonna do. Let me go to that 15. See what the last 15-minute counter was. It was a red counter, but we just made a high, so I'm thinking we're gonna push. Just made a high. Really. Pretty much doing like we said last night in our analysis. We said we probably could see the market slowing down since we getting so close to them all-time highs until some heavy news drop. And y'all know Wednesday we got Fed meeting at 1:30. So that's probably what the market might be trying to wait on before it try to push up. That Fed meeting. Alright, it's getting close to it. Close to that hourly hourly low. It did make a lower low. So I think we probably finna go down to the hourly level. But if we can reject and fail to close below, wow, that was a hard push back up. Wow, that was a nice hard. Let's see if we make a higher high here. We did, but it got to close green. That was a hard push. I ain't gonna lie. Now, minute 30 for that 15-minute counter close. I want to grab a long, but I'm gonna wait. We're gonna grab it if it closes green. Five need to close green, honestly. Alright, we sitting at 35. Alright, got us out. If that 5-minute close green though, we jump right back in. It's just because I think the 5-minute could close red. We get a slight pullback, then go up. Oh, it barely closed green. Alright, let's see. Come on now, lad. Don't be doing me like this. Check out the 15. It made that low. It's just over with. But let's see. Come on, man. If they close below this gap, it's out. We gotta close it. Come on, you gotta flip green here now. It look like we finna have to cut it. Come on, push. Really don't want that close inside that gap. Oh my goodness, they playing. They playing. We just take the low. We take a little 6. Cause we made a little bit earlier. They playing games though. I go to that 5-minute. Really don't want this 5-minute to be red. Need to push up. Like we said, if it closed below there, we need to get out though. 19 seconds. Look like get out. Come on. Is he gonna push back up? Alright, we did get to limit this loss. Okay, we think we getting out. Alright, we limited that loss. We seen it. We seen that market structure shift. We limited it. So we ain't take 6. We only took 3. But we already was up 160, so we only down 150. No, 163. Alright, it's coming to take that low. We was looking for that bounce here, though. We had that higher high. We was looking for that potential bounce. But it came and took that low. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. It's still good. Not down. We ain't down too bad today. So probably take one more trade. I don't want to have us down more than 300 on the day. So I take one more trade. Let's see these hourly. The hourly pushing. Can it close below this gap? That's the biggest thing. Definitely drop it though. Might take a micro. Just in case it don't ever come back. We're gonna take a micro. Dang, it's already starting to push for I even got to switch. Alright, it came back. Oh, we good, we good, we good. Came back. Switch back to that daily. Mark out this on the micros real quick. Daily. Red. Literally trading inside of consolidation. We got high and a lower low at the same time. Now the loans coming back through. Yeah, this is consolidation like mud. Like I said, we'll take one more trade, and then that's probably gonna be it. Cause it is consolidating. I really don't wanna risk too much in consolidation. Man, what the world? Come on now. And like I said, we got no news today, so no heavy news at least. And it's hourly close below this gap. That's the thing. Got 7 minutes left. If we can take this high and close past it, I'll take a light long. If we close red, I'm thinking possible short. Get back to that hourly real quick. See what this hourly looking like. Still red. If we close red and we close above it, y'all, above the gap, I'm thinking we might retest it. See if we can reverse to go higher. If we close inside it, of course, I think we should come back down some more. But I kind of want to either see it close below it or close above it. I don't want to see it close inside it. Mm-mm-mm. 5 minutes for the hour. Let's go to the micros. Oh, come on, what you gonna do? I'm about to say, let's go to the micros, look for potential short. God dang, what the? How I clicked the wrong button? I clicked join the ads. I meant to press shorts. I don't even know what join the ads if it would have made me go to shorts or longs. We're gonna stay below there. 1 minute. If it puts back in here, we gotta get out though. Literally 1 minute. Stay below this hourly gap. I really don't even want the green counter, cause then that means we're gonna be having to sit in some pullback. See if we can flush. Ah, it's giving us a green counter. I don't really want no pullback. Pullback might kick us out. Unless we can flip back red to make a lower low. Really didn't want no green counter there. The hourly did close below the gap though, but I didn't want that green counter there. Did not want that green counter. See if we can come sweep with this low at least. We go to that 5 minute. That 5 minute break, it's gonna be tragic. We need that 1 minute to stay in the downtrend. No switching. Give us a red counter. Give us this red counter. And then we need that lower low. Really don't want to see the market structure shift. Look like we finna get it though. I really don't want to see it, but look like we might get it. Yeah, look like we finna get that shift. I mean, we definitely in some consolidation. Soon we break this high. Yeah, we out right here. We're gonna bring it down. Yeah, we out. Dang, we in some consolidation, man. I do not want to trade it dang consolidation. Cause I was sitting there thinking, I said, this hourly, we definitely made a higher high and a lower low. Yes, it's a red count, so we is going the right direction. But if it wasn't building no base under that hourly fair value gap, we definitely was gonna see that shift, and that what happened. We in some dang consolidation, man. That's some trash. I wanted to see some base build under here. We could take one NQ, and this is it right here. We calling it after this. Let's go to the 5 minute. It's the last trade we taking today. definitely was some bun. Did we get a red or the green? Let's see. Alright. Let's go check the MQ out. We might add, it might give us a little bit of pull down, then we might can add one more. A little bit of pull down, then add one more. Five minutes. If they close below that gap though, I'm gonna force close everything. See, 8 seconds. Alright, and it close below. I ain't gonna add or nothing. We gonna go ahead and call it. Alright, call it here, y'all. Let's see. I'm giving it some time though. I'm gonna push up. We getting hit with some major consolidation. That's because we trying to see what the market want to do. I mean, the market trying to wait till probably Tuesday and Wednesday news. That's why we getting hit with this consolidation. Alright, pushing back above that 1 minute. See if we're gonna close back out above it. I didn't know. I ain't trying to be trapped trading this all day. We're gonna grab one micro to add to it, but I ain't trying to be trapped in this all day. Like I said, these are the last trades right here. Let me go see where I want to aim for. We take that high. Really supposed to be aiming around here, I think. We gotta make a higher high though. That's the thing. We did not make a higher high, so gotta come above here. Ooh, it's choppy. I definitely don't want to trade this stuff today. It's just too much consolidation. See, let's see. This gets stopped out. We done though. It's too much consolidation. We really don't like these conditions anyway. We try to trade this chop stuff. Let me see that 5 minute. Really supposed to set it down here, but do I want to set it? That's $90. That's fine. 90 to so we got a 1-to-1 trade, 90 to 90. All right, 1-to-1 trade, 90 to 90. See, we get some bounce back here. I don't know what that. We on M and Q. I don't know. Well, I was saying 3 M and Q over there executed. We only in one, so I'm not sure what's that over there. We got a 5 minute. Look like it's setting up to go and make that lower low though. That what it's looking like. If we break this low, close below. Look at it on NQ. See what NQ looking like too. Yes. We need a green what's the name for the bounce? Green count on the 5 minute. Look like we finna get that lower low though. Let's see. We go that 15. Red, yeah. Look like we trying to go down there. Let's see. Let's try to grab one. Let me close below there. There we go. 900 just like that. Ooh wee. That's what we needed right there. That brought us back to the green for the day. Hey man. This chop fest, I'd take 300 on a day. Especially after going through all that chop. Cause we were down. But we just caught that 9. So we up 376. I definitely take that. Cause I really don't wanna sit through all this chop. I know I had got quiet for a second, y'all, but shoot, I had to see, man. I had to add in positions and stuff. I definitely would take that 370 though. 376. Maybe we'll take a micro, but and we only gonna risk $76. So we can at least still leave with 300 on the day. But yeah, I don't really want to be messing with all that chop, man. I think I might call it after that. Might call it after that. Cause we might be coming back up chopping if we can't close below this low. We're gonna give this 5 minute counter. This 5 minute counter flip back green. We gonna leave it alone. We just take our money and walk away. Cause that was rough. What? Trading this thing consolidation was rough. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all seen the first what? Was the first 3 trades we took was a loser. So it was rough, man. But that one trade we ended up taking at the end covered all the losers. That's the good thing. One trade we took at the end covered it all. We went 1 for 4, but hey, as long as we made some money. We went 1 for 4, 1 for 4 today, but we ended up making 376. Yeah, it look like it's trying to push back up on this 5 minute. We're gonna leave it alone, man. Cause we on a 1 minute now, but we just made a higher high. So give us some market structure shift to move up to turn this to a green counter. So it might just leave it alone. I was trying today. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I came in today and I was like, I'm gonna trade strictly off my hourly today. Um, but then I also was thinking to myself, I said, well, the only way I can trade on the hourly is if we gonna be trending. And if I last night I told y'all, hey, we probably gonna consolidate. I was like, well, I can't really trade on the hourly if we gonna, consolidate because it's not trending at all. Um, So that's why today I had to drop down to the lower time frames. Tomorrow we should be trending tomorrow though. So we will be trading strictly off our hourly tomorrow, but that's why I had to drop down to the lower time frames today because I was like, man, I I told them last night we probably gonna consolidate if we don't just push straight up. Um, and that what happened. We pretty much we met like we said we met a higher high and a lower low, so that's instant sign of consolidation. So I won't be surprised if this next hourly candle uh either flip green or fail to close below, and then we come right back up. You know, I won't be surprised of that. Now, if we close below, I definitely think we coming down to this hourly gap though down here. But I won't be surprised if we just consolidate. Okay, 5 minutes flipping back red. Let's see. Let's see. Probably gonna call it though. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really like the risk. Once I already done made my money for the day, I usually don't like risking that much no more. Cause you really want to take your money and get off. Honestly, let me see. And move on with your day. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna call it. Cause I ain't trying to deal with all that headache. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Like I said, we're gonna call it for today. Walk away 376. That's it. Is hey, we probably could have did a little bit better today if we didn't take them losses at the beginning. But like we said, we stuck in consolidation. We was looking for market to, trend upwards. Um, and it just didn't give it to us. All right. But we were able to capitalize, switch to them shorts, and took it to these lows. Um, y'all have a good one. Your boy Keys is out. Peace. Let me see. I clicked the wrong.